just kill you.
Wait for it. Hey, Amanda, stick around.
We got time for one more, kids. If you're ready for one more, let me hear you say, hell yeah, Jack!
Hell yeah, Jack!
Well, kids, this is Phil. Everyone say, hello, Phil.
Hello, Phil.
Now, we ran into Phil when he was in line behind Amanda and her husband on Twister.
What are the chances?
Twister? Really, Phil? Twister? Well, since it's clear you like things slow and painful, we're gonna try and make Phil's dreams come true. Chance!
Yeah?
It is time.
Oh, Amanda, I do love these little chats of ours. But there was this one time that we... Amanda?
She's looking a little flaccid. She's not excited.
Amanda! Oh, are you ignoring me, Amanda? I don't like being ignored, Amanda! I forgot. She's dead. Ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, we now present to you the Big Ass Song!
Yes! Come to Papa! Maniacs! If you're ready to see the Big Ass Saw in action, let me hear you say, hell yeah, Jack! Hell yeah, Jack! Raise it up!
Now, Phil, I'm not gonna lie to you. This is really gonna hurt.
Everyone say, goodbye, Phil!
Goodbye, Phil.
Well, kids, the Big Ass Saw is a throwback to a simpler time. A time when young Jack and Eddie Schmidt used to find an innocent victim and just saw the shit out of them. We got ourselves a bleeder!
Wait for it.
And now, gang, it's time to see if the Big Ass Saw is half empty or half filled. Oh, Phil, I forgot to tell you, keep all arms and legs inside the ride vehicle at all times. Now, Chance, the Big Ass Saw does have some side effects. Headache, nausea,
Loss of the lower extremities.
and diarrhea. Maniacs! This is the Dark Fantastic! This is how we celebrate the kill! This is the Carnival of Carnage! And now get the hell out!
Bye.